When light touches the earth, we are already on our way. Guided by belief, driven by purpose, ready for every challenge ahead. Every journey begins with a single pursuit, to follow the light. At Godox, we believe light is the origin of time, of vision, and of every bold idea. Rooted in user needs, we spark inspiration. Through tireless innovation, we push boundaries, illuminating every moment where creativity begins. From R&D to full-scale production, we've built a complete ecosystem. Our integrated product chain spans photography, filmmaking, and video creation, delivering tools creators trust, engineered with precision, crafted with care. For over 30 years, we've stayed true to our focus, offering not just gear, but end-to-end visual solutions. We believe the most inspiring products come from truly understanding creators. From light to vision, from vision to creation, turning passion into everyday inspiration. Godox, trusted by creators, inspired by light.